Wow, this camera just really doesn't do justice. It's so cute out here with the little finches and... Wait, let's see. They're like in the sun and the dappled shade, but it's just not showing up right. But see, it's like a little family over there. And you got the pigeons and the geese everywhere. Look at the ground. It's so tore up now. It used to be covered with leaves, but the geese come here. And see, they drink the water. That's like the fourth bowl. So I have this idea. I'm going to write on the side of the bowl, magic water bowl. Fill with water and see what happens. And maybe I can leave a little goose legacy here for them. So if anyone sees the bowl, they'll just fill it with water and the geese will come and drink it. Because they love this water. See how muddy it is? That's because, you know, they eat all the dirt and stuff and then they wipe their beaks. Oh, this is the one with the ruddy butt. He's kind of got dementia or something. He's old, I believe. He has rolled down this hill so many times, it's horrible. Where's the squirrel? The squirrel was here. Oh, here comes another taker. It was so cute, like all the birds and all the different birds, and like the pigeon is right there with the finches. And the squirrel was out there. Everybody was doing their thing. Anyways, it looks a lot more gray on this than it actually is in real life. And I know you guys are tired of this, but this is what's up right now. I got some good news coming up pretty soon, but oh yeah, and there's going to be a lot of changes, But for now, this is what's up. And till the next video, give the geese water, you guys. They like it. Ciao.